Hi, Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about what to do if there are two petitions filed in your case, meaning you filed for divorce and your spouse filed for divorce, separately, several days, weeks, months apart. How to correct that, and number two, what to do if neither party has been served. And I'm going to explain the situation of a caller that I just hung up the phone with. So here's the situation. Over a year ago, the parties had attorneys. They both filed for divorce, so they both filed a petition within days of each other. And what happened was, now this is a year later, neither party was ever served the petition because they both filed petitions. Obviously, the attorneys thought that one would be considered a response, but that's not how it works. If both parties file a petition, what needs to happen to correct that is you need to draw up a stipulation that says, Case A is going to be the lead case, and Case B is going to be the, please consider Case B as the response to Case A. And then you would submit that to the court, the judge would sign it, and there you would have a response, and that response would count as the date of service. The other way that you can correct this, now in this particular circumstance, the problem here was that a year has gone by, they've been to court, they've been to hearings, but because no one was ever served and because there was never a response filed in either of the cases, the courts have not retained jurisdiction over them as far as filing the judgment. So we're talking about that 6-month waiting period has not even started, even though this has been going on for over a year. So to fix this, the fastest way would be to get one of the parties served. What I'd recommend is whoever filed the case first, take that case, have that filed on your spouse. Fill out a proof of service. Of course, you need to follow the rules of proof of service. I've done a video on that, so you can look for that video next. Have that person served, file the proof of service with the court. That will start the 6-month clock. Even though a year has already gone by, you need to start that clock. The next thing you need to do is complete the stipulation regarding having Case B as the response to Case A. If you need assistance with that, I've done another video on that as well, how to draw up a stipulation to have the second case be the response to the first case. So watch out for that. Make sure that the proof of service has been filed. Make sure that the clock has started ticking. What's going to happen to these folks is even though they walked into court thinking everything was ready to go to finish their case and file the judgment, they found out that literally they have to start from day one as far as a 6-month clock is concerned. My name is Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. For more information, please give me a call, 661-281-0266. We handle divorce cases all throughout Los Angeles County. Look forward to helping you if you need our assistance. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.